Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at the boot up logo screen for your Samsung Galaxy 3 Mini. So this is the mini version. So I'm going to restart the device now and you will see what it looks like when it is booting up. So it's booting up with this Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini with a model number. And then next, it will show this Telecom logo, and it's got the Samsung logo after that. So if the phone is attached to a network, it will show that particular network provider logo. So show for a brief, around 1 second, and then it goes to the Samsung logo right here. And Samsung is a white with a flashing blue color. And that's it. After that, it will go to the lock screen, and then we can swipe the lock screen to go back into our home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.